You ever felt the weight of the world crushing you, like a storm brewing right inside your chest? That paralyzing feeling of being stuck, consumed by fear and doubt? It's like standing at the edge of a vast, misty chasm, knowing you hovered to jump, but your mind screams danger with every fiber of your being. We all face those moments where the mountain seems too high, the loss too deep, and giving up whispers like a sweet, terrible comfort. Think of how Edison failed thousands of times before the light bulb glowed, or how Maya Angelou rose from silence to become a voice for millions. What if that storm isn't meant to break you, but to reveal your true strength, to forge a path you never imagined? A single seed, buried deep in total darkness, fights upward through the soil, never doubting it will find the sun. It just grows. Your greatest power isn't avoiding the fall. It's finding the courage to rise again. One trembling, determined step after another. So, take that first step today. Confront that fear. Reach for that dream, even if it feels absolutely impossible right now. Because when you conquer your inner giants, you not only liberate yourself, you inspire countless others to face their own battles. Don't just weather the storm. Become the lightning. Go out there and illuminate your entire world.